financial literacy, its importance, and how we can save it. Hey, son, can I talk to you about something important today?
Sure, Mom. What is it?
Well, I wanted to talk to you about the importance of saving, budgeting, and making wise financial decisions. Do you know what that means?
Not really, Mom. Can you explain it to me?
Of course. Saving means putting away some of your money for the future, instead of spending it all right away. Budgeting means making a plan for how you will spend your money, so you don't overspend or run out of money before you get what you need. And making wise financial decisions means thinking carefully about how you use your money, so you can get the most value for your money.
Oh, I see. Why is that important, Mom?
Well, when you save your money, you can use it for things you really want or need in the future, like buying a new toy or saving up for a vacation. And when you budget your money, you can make sure you have enough for all the things you need, like food, clothes, and school supplies. And when you make wise financial decisions, you can avoid wasting your money on things that aren't really worth it.
That makes sense, Mom. How can I start saving and budgeting?
One way to start is by keeping track of your money. You can keep a record of how much you earn and how much you spend, so you can see where your money is going. Then, you can make a plan for how much you want to save each week or month, and how much you want to spend on different things.
Okay, Mom. How can I make wise financial decisions?
Well, one way is to think carefully before you spend your money. Ask yourself if you really need something or if it's just something you want. And if you do decide to buy something, compare prices and look for the best value. You can also ask for advice from people you trust, like your family or a teacher.
Thanks, Mom. I'll try to do that.
Great, son. Remember, learning about money and how to manage it wisely is an important skill that will help you throughout your life. What you think? Let us know in comment box.